Say something. Just sit there.
Joel, please. I mean, seriously.
It's really early in the morning, and Liliani is snoring because she's not fully developed yet, so she doesn't breathe really easy. She sounds like Grandpa.